Bolanle pepper them. In fact, they don't pepper Bolanle. Marriage don't go jam container. This video Vixie, well, all of us know Bolanle. She future inside Latin music. As it be, this lady, we know say she don't marry now. She do her marriage. Just 6 months ago, as it be like this, Oga don't pack her load. Say, Alele, come up from my house. 6 months marriage, oh. This one and Nika, no be say they even do and say baby mama challenge. This one she get belly, they do traditional everything for her. Pay her bride price. I don't know what it costs wahala between the two of them. Now there two of them can decide to break up. Now in fact, not even the break up, they vex me. If I say drama, on top of this breakup, why be say no be this man be the first person to pursue his wife? This man decides say if he want turn this your breakup to celebrity breakup. He record everything live on top of Instagram. They show people say as increase. Now he show people say increase. He get another level. Now there reason say Black say Zaltan. That music where he sing say Bolanle get your boyfriend. He Black say he see the future before this one happen. My people beg make na follow me watch this disgrace.
I'm not capping when I said I'm done. But I up like here. You want to go away with my car? I will show you a very good lesson. Me, you can never I swear. For this leg away with him, I'm both. Yeah, most of them just my share the show. My share ya the most of them. See like me most of most of them. Ewa aṣọ tó mú àlè yíyá. Ewa aṣọ tó mú àlè yíyá. Ewa aṣọ tó mú àlè yíyá. Sunwon ná leleyi o. Sunwon ná gidi.
And I don't see person future daddy. Person papa, now be this one. This girl when they even get belly born, she get 2 months old picking for her hand. Now yeah, this man still they behave like Chris. Ladies for advice, any man who sabi complain, any man who sabi rant, no even do the mistakes of say they go near. Because if like say they get kolo. I even watch this video, I even see na agbero they talk. I don't even know say na person husband. Now they misbehave like this. You dey vex on top of waiting. What thing they even talk, say person no they even understand. Say maybe the girl go sleep around with person. At least why not call the girl make na two end this relationship on a normal. She be some celebrity break up, nobody hear wahala. Don't dedicate do your own, your husband no post now. Or be say your own, not now small celebrity where this girl just gain small. Make she just blow small, you won't come destroy this her whole this thing. You know even come pity, what is it? You know even pity the 2 months old baby where this girl carry. You know pity and self say they just do marriage 6 months old. In fact, this marriage thing, it be like say wahala dey inside. Now I make I even like put mouth inside because they feel end them today now. Tomorrow now you go see 2 of them together. The man say even get wife for South Africa. Say she be second wife and she be baby mama. I beg you know all this kind of thing. Now you still chook like say you won't go marry this kind man. I beg you like say this man to me the man no even dey okay. The man no way I sure say he smoke one kind igbo before he come outside come dey do this one. Because the way the man they behave, I can't wonder. So what did they happen? What did be all this kind of drama? You know, tell this man come do another video. Come begin they cry. Hey, drama king. Begin they cry. Say we never even hear the part of your own story. We just start to the judge. They do this. My people beg, make them follow me see.
You will go Zlatan friend for Dubai. You dey lie for me. Why them Zlatan leave you? You when they don't forget you. They don't forget your apart. They don't forget your apart. Now when you connect with Lincoln, then sabi you again. Because I do normal. Me I be that more pale. Me will leave my wife for you. You think say I be fool. You always tell me they leave my wife. Then they go. Man, when I get better wife. Now lockdown make us connect. Your wedding was cheap. Just wash out. Your wedding was cheap. I second wife now. And we both agreed. You agreed to be my second wife. Why are you now stressing my life? Are you kidding me? You will be saying, baby mama, you bleed, they whine me. I get family for South Africa, you they whine me. No be una fault now. I can't believe everybody are blaming me without hearing my part. But this is so sad, honestly. This is so sad. This is so sad. But when you see how I be, you will always repose. That rest in peace, God. I can't believe this. Why, Bola? What have I done? What have I done? You my own name. My own name.
Oh, now sure say this guy never go buy Jamaican Igbo. Maybe the one when they smoke this na Nigeria one can't go change in brand of Igbo. Now waiting on the affecting brain. I been done they take cocaine because when I watch this guy, I'm not sure say this guy dey okay at all. Person they normal, they talk like this. Today you go they cry, tomorrow you don't they make noise. You don't they do another thing. Now only you shout, now only you cry. Even the Bolanese, she never come as I talk say, now this thing she do. Now only you now they give explanation. Now you say they give yourself answer. I beg which kind of husband? Make it they shine eye. Before you marry, open your eye. Kodo be go even collect glass from person hand. Wear and check the man where. I been now before person go marry, him go do psychiatric and test for the husband. Because the way things they go on, I know to understand. Person go marry mad person where there's corporate go to say na better man you marry. See how this man disgrace this girl. On top of what he said, we never even know. All this time when you cry, say we blame, I say the girl go sleep around. Don't be the first person be saying your wife they cheat. And in fact, they really drag him like the way you don't drag him. Even if this girl they wrong, people feel support you. But the way they bring out this thing, the way they behave. Now make people they talk him. Now make I in fact that time where Zlatan sing this music say bye bye to your boy. He be like say he don't know say now you. He be like say he don't know say you be your boyfriend. Now make her sing this kind of thing. Now you don't do marriage finish. You can't talk saying she be baby mama. I beg where the baby mama come from. Why you not say you pay her dowry? You can't talk saying you just do cheap marriage. I mean another girl, now they for another side, now they make you misbehave like this because I don't even understand. So you go share election, you go bitter, you go wound. And I don't go surprised, say maybe violence don't dey inside this marriage. Maybe this man don't even beat this girl since. But she go dey quiet. If like say today now why the Igbo don't come explode for her head, now make her come go dey react. I beg this kind of husband, I don't go even pray for anybody to marry him. Because this one a crazy man, na mental man. My people on herself don't watch this video. Wait till I get talk about this whole matter. This Bola nigga to me, I don't know what she do, but she even look calm, smart. She not even to the face the man. But the way the man come they react, come they make me the wonder say, on her sure say no be the man even get problem for this kind of thing. But people they what I beg, wait till on herself think about this whole idea. Anything when I feel, make na write am inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video.